Hi, hello everyone. I am Sarnagundappa V. I studying MBA at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I explain commercial papers. What are commercial papers? Commercial papers are short-term unsecured debt instruments issued by corporations, financial institutions, and government initiates to raise funds for working capital needs. Overview of the commercial paper market. First one is issuers. Corporations, financial institutions, and government initiates issue commercial papers. Second one, investor. Investors include banks, mutual funds, hedge funds, and other institutional investors. Third one is maturities. Commercial paper maturities typically range from a few days to 270 days. Features and benefits of commercial papers. First one is low cost. Commercial papers offer lower borrowing costs compared to bank loans. Second one is flexible maturity. Issuers can choose maturities that align with their short-term financing needs. Third one is quick issuance. The issuance process for commercial paper is relatively fast and efficient. Issuance and placement process. First one is underwriting. Underwriters assess the credit worthiness of the issuer and determine the terms of the offering. Second one is placement. The commercial paper is placed with investors through a network of dealers and brokers. Third one is settlement. Once the commercial paper is placed, the issuer receives the funds from the investors. Credit risk and ratings for commercial papers. Rating description: AAA highest credit quality, lowest risk. AA highest credit quality, low risk. A strong credit quality, moderate risk. BBB moderate credit quality, moderate risk. BB speculative credit quality, high risk. B highly speculative credit quality, very high risk. Regulatory considerations for commercial papers. First one is SEC. The Securities and Exchange Commission oversees the issuance and trading of commercial paper. Second one is Financially Stability Board. The FSB monitors systematic risk associated with the commercial paper market. Third one is National Credit Union Administration. The NCUA regulates commercial paper issued by credit unions. Investment strategies for commercial papers. First one is diversification. Investors can diversify their portfolio by investing in commercial papers from different issuers. Second one is credit risk management. Investors should carefully assess the creditworthiness of issuers before investing in commercial papers. Third one is maturity matching. Investors can match the maturity of commercial paper investments to their own cash flow needs. Trends and outlook for the commercial paper market. First one is increased regulation. Regulatory changes are expected to continue shaping the market. Second one is technological advancements. The adoption of new technology is transforming the issuance and trading processes. Third one is growing demand. Demand for commercial paper is expected to remain strong, driven by economic growth. Thank you for watching.